Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. Dear students, today we are going to do the revision of lesson number 4, Verbs Expressing the Future. Dear students, before getting into the discussion about this lesson, let's read these sentences first. First sentence, I am going to help you study for the test. I will be tired after the football match. I will be preparing for the trip tomorrow. My flight leaves at 6 p.m. today. We will have completed the work by next week. At 6 o'clock, I will have been waiting for an hour. Here, as you can see, these sentences consist of verbs in future tense. All these verbs are telling us that the particular action will happen in the future. Dear students, as we have gone through our tenses, we have come to know that tenses consist of three main parts, that is present, past and future. Each tense consists of four other divisions of these tenses. Future tense also consists of four different parts, that is simple future. Simple futures are also known as future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Now we will discuss about the going to form of the verb. Dear students, whenever we use the going to form of the verb, in that form we actually use going to along with the first form of the verb. We do so to refer to the action which is going to happen in the recent past. Now let's do exercise A. Complete these questions using the verbs in the brackets with will or shall in its future form. Here, as you can see, we just have to use the will or shall along with the main verb. What dash the weather dash like tomorrow? Here we have to use will or shall along with main verb be. We will fill will in the first blank and then we will fill will in the second blank. Sentence number 2. Do you think it will rain tomorrow? I don't think so. Going by the weather forecast, it will be dry weather tomorrow. Sentence number 4. Probably the cold weather will move down from the north after the rains are over. Sentence number 5. Do you think it will be dark by 6 this evening? Now we will discuss about exercise B. Complete these sentences using going to or the present continuous tense form of the verbs in the brackets to complete these sentences and to express the future. Paresh dash participate in the dance competition next week. Here we have to use going to form of the verb because Paresh is going to participate in the dance competition in the recent future, the future which is about to come. In that sense we are going to use going to participate to fill this blank. My mother is going to be very excited to see his new toys tomorrow. My parents are going to be in town next week. I will take them to the rose garden. I will leave Mumbai on 15th March. Now we will discuss about exercise C. Complete each pair of questions and answer using the simple present tense. The sentences should still convey future time. Sentence number 1. I heard you're moving to Bangalore. When do you leave? I leave for Bengaluru on 25th April. Sentence number 2. When does the football match end? I think the match ends at 7:30 p.m. We can go for dinner after that. Sentence number 3. What time does the film begin? The film begins at 8 p.m. We are running late. Sentence number 4. When does the train leave for Siliguri? The train leaves at 11:45 a.m. Now we'll move on to exercise D. Complete this conversation between Sakina and Julie using the future continuous and future perfect tense. As we all know that future continuous consists of will or shall plus be an ing form of the verb, whereas future perfect consists of will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb. Now we will discuss about this exercise. Sakina, I almost forgot to tell you I will be moving to Raipur next month. My mother will be getting transferred soon. My parents are enrolling me in a new school in Raipur. I will be joining Maryland School in November. Julie, in the middle of the school year, but half the syllabus will have been completed by then. All your classes will have made friends. How will you be able to cope with being the odd one out? Sakina, my parents have already spoken to the principal and the teachers at Maryland. Before I start school there, the teachers will be speaking to the students about my situation. They also will be asking two of my classmates to help me in cope with the academic and social difficulties. Dear students, I hope this video will help you in revising your lesson. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.